to escape a job that's quietly destroying you. Some jobs don't explode, they erode. They wear you down quietly until you don't even recognize yourself. That's what happened to me, and I almost didn't even notice until I couldn't make it or take it anymore. I kept showing up, I did everything right, but the stress, the fatigue, the constant survival mode, that wasn't just life. That was my job stealing my peace. I'm Holly, and when I couldn't retire at 70, I knew I needed something different, not just another gig. Here's how I escaped. Recognize the signs. Anxiety, withdrawal, exhaustion aren't laziness, they're alarms. Choose a simpler path. My business runs on automation, not pressure. Work with your heart. I built income around my values, not someone else's deadlines. You don't have to wait for burnout to hit rock bottom. Drop, teach me, and I'll show you what I follow daily. No hype, no chasing, just results that speak for themselves. Look forward to hearing from you.